some of your publications talk about cancer as a metabolic disease, and specifically a dysfunction of the mitochondria.
So the two fermentation fuels that drive the majority, if not all, cancers are a sugar fermentation and an amino acid fermentation. And without the glucose and glutamine, no cancer cell can survive. It comes right down to this whole concept of what is cancer? Is it a genetic disease, or is it a mitochondrial metabolic disease? And, once you realize that it's a mitochondrial metabolic disease, most of the treatments we're doing to the cancer patients make no sense. In the United States, we are over 1,600 people are dying every single day from cancer, over 1,600. When I was in China, it's 8,100 because their population is large. But when you have the cancer, then you all of a sudden, your whole world begins to change. How come I wasn't told about this and all this? Well, we're telling you now.